that as leaders we have a relative level of comfort here. I think also bearing in mind that COVID shook the world and a number of organisations have collapsed as a result of it. However, our assets and our prudent management of our assets was really strong. And so in a catastrophe as significant as COVID, we've sailed through, and that gives me another level of confidence around increasing the LVR, because at the worst possible time, we didn't crumble.
Yeah, if I could reflect on that, I mean, we're sitting in the boardroom over there, and we were, our property experts around our board table, Whairoa, were predicting
20%.
as much of a 20% drop in our value, which is a big hit. So we had to turn a few projects down or off, like up at Eastcliff. And in the end, I think we ended up with a 5% increase in our value. So, and that reflects, that we were an asset class which is over the last 181 years since the kawa gave the land, has been a pretty sure bet. Thankfully, we weren't in other asset classes around equities and